Hey, it's Sarah with WTI, and I have some female dog diapers, reusable diapers that I've used for my dog Honey. They're easy to put on and clean, and she wears them. I think she's pretty comfortable in them, but let me show you what they look like. So Honey Girl, you just put her tail right through the hole, and then they Velcro on, and they're snug. I like them because they're stretchy, the patterns are pretty cute, and Honey does not seem bothered by wearing them. And so that gives me peace of mind because it protects furniture and the floor from any leaking, but at the same time, she's able to live her life and not be really distracted by having a diaper on. So I never thought I would be saying this, but my dog sometimes has to wear a diaper like this, and I like it because it's reusable, the patterns are cute, I can wash them, and it's really easy to put on her, and she wears it comfortably. She's not pulling on it or distracted by it, and it doesn't slip off even if she's wagging her tail. And that is my point of view.